Hello, my name's Tony Bowen and welcome to my Corn Country Rails. Going to do kind of a flashback from some trips I made this past summer. My wife and my two girls are heavily involved in Girl Scouts and actually went on a 9-day trip out east to see Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, Boston, New York, and the whole works. And while they were gone, I thought, I'm not staying around home. There were several railroad museums in the Midwest that I have not been a part or gotten a chance to go see, and I thought this is my opportunity that I can go see them and enjoy them at my own leisure. And so I have basically 4-part series that I'm going to do of the places I went to visit in July. Now, I know that's a while ago, but since it's colder now and I'm not getting outside to do rail fanning that, I thought this would be a great time to edit those things and share them with you now. So the first part you're going to see is basically I had left the house and went to Kalmar, Iowa. There is a bike trail that's built on an old Milwaukee road right-of-way from Kalmar to Cresco. I wanted to find the bike trail because part of my trip was I took my bike along to hit up a couple bike trails. From there, I continued my way north to the Twin Cities to the Jackson Street Roundhouse. Had never been there, spent about 4.5 hours there, loved it. Great place, I would highly recommend it, and I'd go back again in a heartbeat. And then I ended my day basically by going to Scale Model Supply, wonderful hobby shop in the Twin Cities area, and they have just about anything you'd want to find, and if they don't have it, they certainly can kind of look for it. And then I had met my nephew at an Applebee's at a hotel that I stayed at just across the street, and that ended basically my first day of my kind of railroad, bike ride, and train museum trip. So I hope you enjoy this first segment. That'll take you to Kalmar, Cresco, the Jackson Street Roundhouse, and to Scale Model Supply. So enjoy.
Chewing on a piece of grass, walking down the road. Tell me, how long you gonna stay here, Joe? Some people say this town don't look good in snow. You don't care, I know. Ventura Highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moonshine. You're gonna go, I know. Cause the free wind is blowing through your hair, the days surround your daylight there. Seasons crying, no despair. Alligator lizards in the air, in the air. Wishing on a falling star, waiting for the early train. Sorry boy, but I've been hit by purple rain. Aw, come on Joe, you can always change your name. Thanks a lot son, just the same. Ventura Highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moonshine. You're gonna go, I know. Cause the free wind is blowing through your hair, and the days surround your daylight there. Seasons crying, no without love. You know I saw Miss Lucy down along the tracks. She lost her home and her family, and she won't be coming back without love. Where would you be right now without love? Well, the Illinois is Central and the Southern Central freight keep on pushing by mud, and you know they're running late without love. Where would you be now, without love? Well, the Illinois is Central and the Southern Central freight keep on pushing by mud. You know they're running late without love. Where would you be now without love? Well, pistons keep on turning and the wheels go round and round, and the steel rails are cold and hard, and the mountains they go down without love. Where would you be right now without love?